Here is a fraction problem involving unknown z, z taking the place of the fraction denominator. So let's find the unknown. We need to move z out of the fraction. So divide by z becomes multiply by z. Now we need to move 6 in the other direction. So multiply by 6 becomes divide by 6. We can now solve, and so z equals 4. Okay, so fairly simple. Here is another problem. This time unknown w is the fraction numerator. We can move the denominator out as before. So divide by 8 becomes multiply by 8. Next we can simplify and move 24 across. So 24 moves below 48 and forms a fraction. We can now find w, so 48 over 24 gives w as 2. Okay, so here's one final problem to round up. This time the unknown is outside the fraction, so let's find y. This time there's nothing stopping us from expanding the fraction, so let's go ahead. 1 over 4 is 0.25. Next we can move 0.25. So a multiply by 0.25 becomes divide by 0.25. Now we have everything we need to find y. So if y equals 6 over 0.25, then y equals 24.